And again, nakita-kita na naman tayo Cebu. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa pelikulang Malyari. Ayan, last year. And syempre, we're very proud to present to you, of course, our movie. And lalo kayong magagandahan sa obra ni Direk Dan Villegas together with our powerful cast. And muli, kakailanganin namin muli ang tulong ninyo.
Good afternoon, Sir Ron.
It's good to be back here po sa Cebu.
Miley Dizon! Wow, very beautiful. Terzo Cruz, the third! And the only Mr. Akamura! It's Nadine Lustre! Star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos! Ate V! Good afternoon!
I thank all the Cebuanos for the very, very warm welcome.
What's your reaction, Sir Angel?
Masaya po ako na unang-una para makapabilang sa pelikula ito, and knowing that yung role ko na gagapan ako I know it, plus the fact that I'll be working with Vilma again. The last time I worked with her was like 20 years ago, a long time ago, and also the opportunity to work with Miss Nadine Lustre and to be directed by Dan Villegas, and of course we produced another mentor. So it was all excitement. It was all excitement for me, and plus the fact na gagawin namin yung pelikula for the Metro Manila Film Festival, and we were large and LPG kami, nakasama ko kami. So masaya ako more than anything that we're part of the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. It's such a big celebration, and I'm just happy to be part of the Metro Manila Film Festival, part of this wonderful movie. And again, I'd like to keep on saying this: the experience to work with greatness.
Playing the role of Eva Candelaria is not easy. Even the time when we were conceptualizing the story, that time pa lang, alam ko na medyo meticuloso na yung role ni Eva Candelaria. But again, since I was so excited with the movie, kasi this is, for me, very challenging yung character niya, I think yung preparation, malaking tulong dito yung support and motivation of my director, Direk Dan Villegas.
This is more thriller.
Thriller.
Yeah. So, I guess, nakaka-isang horror pa lang. Well, dalawa na pala. Nocturno came out na. So, I don't think I could call myself a horror queen, but also, ano siya, parang ano siya, masarap sa pakiramdam na at least, you know, I'm doing my roles correctly, and nabibigyan ko ng justice yung mga characters ko sa mga naging horror films ko po, but at the same time, parang ayoko din kasing mabak sa isang genre. So, yun, I'm super grateful na na-appreciate po nila, but yun, parang it's too early to say na horror queen. Dalawa pala.
Daghang salamat. That question was from Historia. Direk Dan, the question is, was uninvited intended for the Metro Manila Film Festival, considering that the festival is known mostly for family-friendly films and this one's quite edgy? Was it a conscious decision for you and the producer to offer something dark and exciting to the audiences?
Ang maganda sa uninvited score, it's a mother story. So hindi man siya masasabing very typical na family film. Ano siya, madami parang mapupulot na maganda sa pelikula. Madami pwedeng matutunan. And tas isa pa, I'm so proud of the cast and the crew who worked on the film kasi parang nung napanood ko yung final online, parang medyo nakakaiyak. Kasi performances, plus yung shots, everything, it's something to be proud of.
No, it was such an honor to be, being alongside with this. Etong cast na to is, ginugulo ako ni Tito Pepe. Hindi. I'm very thankful. I'm very, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nakasama ko itong mga hinahangaan kong aktor. And very inspiring kasi, like I said, nakikita mo yung proseso nila, nakikita mo kung paano sila kasama yung mga katrabaho nila on and off cam, and it's something to aim for sa karera namin. But overall, I'm very thankful, I'm very grateful, and excited kaming makita nyo lahat ng pinaghirapan ng buong cast.
The question is, you're such a very powerful actress. It seems powerful. It seems you can do just about anything. The question is, what sets this apart from your other roles, and what kind of acting will we see?
What kind of acting dun tayo eh? Okay. Paano ba i-explain to? Every time naman you work on a project, it's always different, especially because you get intimidated by the script, the role. You don't want to be the same all the time. You try to be different. You try to put something, a different ingredient into this film. And then you're going to do scenes pa with Agamulak. Unang-unang eksena ko, Agamulak eh. Paano? So I had to, of course, kailangan lalabas mo dyan yung A-game mo. Tapos yung kasunod na eksena, may Ate V. So paano na? So, you don't know how to prepare for it. You don't know what you put at the table. You just put as much rawness and importance and respect to your role and hope that it all works out. And it will only show in the final scene or after the director judges. After the director directs you and tells you the necessary adjustments. That's the only time you'll know what you did put in the film.
Gawa ng pelikula with her. And ilang beses na po kami nag-pitch sa kanya. Marami po kami mga story ang pinitch sa kanya. And then, kahit hindi niya sabihin diretso, ayaw niya. Kasi na-realize ko pala, 200 mahigit pelikula na ang nagawa ng nag-iisang Vilma Santos. Palapakan naman muna natin. And then sabi ko, Ma'am, tigil na natin to. Anong gusto mong gawin? Kaya actually guys, ang Uninvited is a story na concept po ni Ma'am Vilma Santos. Ayan. Wow! So ito po, ayun nga, kaya sabi nga po ni Direk, even though na R16 kami, it's still a family story. Ito po ay istorya ng isang ina na ang ano po talaga dito is yung first time kasi gawin ng isang Vilma Santos, yung ganitong tipo ng pelikula. And then, halos lahat sila challenge din namin ni Direk dito. And I think, the other day, pinanood namin sa first crowd namin. Mukha naman Direk, talaga namang na-pull off natin yan. Ayan. And siyempre right now, very, very excited po kami. Because I'm just telling you, Malyari is a great film. And this one is really, really different. Ibang klase po ang tinalon. Not just the production crew. Actually po, si Direk po ay kasama po dito. Sila Direk Tonet, sila Direk Irene. Kung makikita nyo, powerful cast po yan. Pero powerful din po yung crew behind. Ayan, kaya talagang very excited po na nakasama ko po si Ate B dito sa paggawa ng pelikulang to. And of course, yung naging resulta, talagang ibang klase din itong pelikula na to. Very, very excited.
Napaka-efficienting producer. Very hardworking. That's no, I mean it. One thing na pag meron siyang gustong gawin, hindi lip service action siya kagad. Yun ang gusto ko sa kanya. And I think sa panahon at paggawa ng pelikula, yun ang kailangan. And yun nga, totoo din po na madami siyang nilatag sa aking mga istorya. It's just, hindi naman po sa ayaw ko, pero kaya parang nagawa ko na. Parang, ibig ko lang sabihin po, sa tinagal-tagal ko na sa industriya. Pero Sabi na, sige, shooting na tayo. And then another excitement that I got when I learned that Nadine will be working, that will be in this movie Uninvited. So sabi ko, oh my God, ito pa lang, parang gusto ko nang i-shooting. Because hindi po sa show business, hindi all the time, meron kang pagkakataon makasama ang magagaling na aktor. Imagine we have Mylene Dizon here. I mean it. We have Tirso Cruz III. We have, R.K. Bagatsing is here. I mean, Cholo, si Ron, and then kasama pa namin si Lotlot de Leon. Kasama pa namin si Elijah Canlas. And then also Gabby Padilla, who also played my daughter in the movie. And imagine, kasama namin si Gabby Padilla, kakapanalo lang niya ng Best Actress sa Cinemalaya. Katay si Marian. I mean, sino ba? Baka may nakalimutan pa ako ng gagaling. At Noni Buencamino, for kami role lang, pero we have Noni Buencamino, Gio Alvarez, si Ketchup. Ano pa nga hanapin mo? Directed by Dan. Tatlo po ang director namin dito. Pag may ginawa kaming eksena, di ba? Pag may ginawa kaming scene, tatlong nagbabantay ng director sa monitor. Hindi namin alam, pasado ba o hindi? Pasado ba o hindi? Another take. Diyos ko, challenge sa amin yun mga aktor. Pero I guess when you see the finished product, I think this movie, I can say that really, all of us, we really can be proud of this Uninvited movie. Something different that we can offer our audience. So, I hope yung excitement na to maipasa namin sa inyo. Yan ang background ng movie namin Uninvited.
Actually, the uniqueness of my role came from our director. Kasi usually, matagal na rin ako sa pelikula. It was, lahat naman kami unique yung character pero with the guidance of the director, kasi ito ang character, kung maipapaliwanag sa'yo mabuti nung magdidirect sa'yo, kung ano yung kinakailangan mong gawin, kung ano yung hinihingi nung pagkataang ginagampanan mo. And at the end of the day talaga, the excitement was being able to, gaya na sabi ni Luis, being able to work with this cast. This is really an ensemble cast that may babalita po ako sa inyo, hindi ho biro ito totoo po. During the shooting, doon yung makikita kung gaano katindi mag-concentrate si Miss Vilma Santos sa kanyang character na piniplay. There were times po na umaabot ng 140/90 ang blood pressure niya dahil din sa demand po ng role na tumataas talaga ho. Kuminsan may dumating pang pagkakataon talaga, natakot kami lahat. Umabot ng 140/100. Ayan. Pero dahil lang mo sa pagbibigay buhay niya sa karakter na ginagawa niya. Talagang doon mo makikita yung pagka-professional ni Miss Vilma Santos. Now, as far as I'm concerned, ako nagpapasalamat lang ako na naging bahagi ako nitong pelikulang ito. Because it's something that, sabi nga na lahat kami, something that we can be really proud of at isang malaking karangalan na maging si Director. Kanya, basta abangan niyo po, marami po kayong eksenang ikagugol.
With your co-stars in the Uninvited movie.
Lahat yan, lahat yan talagang grabing pagsubok for me. Kasi kung titignan po
namin na ginawa ko pelikula, dito na ako nakakita na ang bawat kahit support, kahit one sequence, two sequences ka lang, ang laki na itutulong talaga sa pelikula. Lahat na paggalaw ni Direk Dan Villegas at lahat po, kinailangan lahat sa pelikula. Kasi hindi mo mabubuo. Like, kunyari, nung i-offer sa akin ko, sinabi kasama si Ketchup Vicente, which we know is a comedian, di ba? Parang kung gagawa tayo ng dark na pelikula, si Ketchup, tapos sinabi sa akin, Direk, kaya yan, Kuya Hags. Sabi sa akin, kaya yan. Sabi ko, nangiwala naman ako na bilang aktor si Ketchup, kaya niya. Pero nung nag-shoot na kami, nung nakita ko na yung mga ginagawa nilang galawan nila, kahit kay Cholo, kay Roy, kay RK, kay Maggie, lahat, kay Elijah, kay Gabby, lahat yan makita mo. Mahirap po ikwento to, no? Pero panoorin nyo, silipin nyo, para makita nyo talaga na maganda yung pelikula na ginawa talaga namin.
Hindi dahil yung pelikula namin, hindi dahil sa pinopromote namin, dahil talagang magandang pelikula siya na sayang para hindi panoorin. Tignan niyo po, kayo na po humusga talaga. Kami po, we're proud of what we did. I'm proud of all the cast, the staff, the crew, everyone who was part of the filming. So, you know. Now, in terms naman po sa role ko naman as Gilly, sinasabi nila, siguro nahihirapan ka. Mahirap po ang role na nung ginawa ko ng Gilly, but sa totoo lang po, hindi ko po siya inaral talaga. The fact na kasama ko si V and Nadine, parang hindi na ako kinabahan doon. Parang sa akin, magagaling ang kasama ko, magaling ang director ko, magaling ang grupo lahat. Nakita ko yung support cast. Sabi ko, maglalaro ako sa pelikula to. Dumating ako sa set, parang blank canvas, ginawa ko lang yung inihingi ng role on the spot. It was fun. I had a wonderful experience working and doing this film talaga. And pag nakita niyo po, kayo naman nagsabi kung gano'ng kabait ko sa pelikula to. Salamat. Maraming salamat lang sa mentor, Brian. Thank you. You're such a wonderful, great producer. Yung alaga mo sa amin, such an honor. Magaling ka, mahusay ka, at sana makakuha pa tayo ng pelikula. At kay Dan Villegas, Direct Dan, maraming salamat sa tulong niyo sa amin lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Agam.
And Eva Candelaria, ay yun pong pagiging nanay ko sa totoong buhay. Iyon ang isa sa personal kong motivation na ginawa sa sarili ko. Because now that I am a mother, dito ko lang masasabi sa harapan nyo, as Vilma Santos this time, I will do anything and everything for my children. So, in this movie, I'm invited. Kung ano man yung pagiging ina ni Lilia at yung ipinakita ni Eva Candelaria, palagay ko, ito yung sinasabi nilang may kinalaman sa mother's love, may kinalaman sa injustice, and then may kinalaman din sa pagiging abused or abusive. So sana dito iikot yung gusto namin ipakita sa inyo because yung mga nabanggit kong salita, palagi ko yung nangyayari din sa lipunan natin ngayon. So, looking forward na mapanood yung lahat ang invited. We're gonna offer you something different.
Muli po, inimbitahan po namin kayo na sana pakisuportahan po ang aming pelikula sa December 25 po, pelikulang Uninvited po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Miss Mai?
Mula po sa Warner Brothers, mentored and project lead, directed by Dan Villegas, Uninvited.
Mr. Terzo Cruz III?
Yes, once again, we'd like to invite you people to join us and watch our movie this December 25. Isang bagay po na alam namin ikagagalak ng inyong puso at ipapatunay na talagang pwede pong ipaglabang tandaigdigan ang mga pelikulang Pilipino.
Mr. R.K. Bhagat Singh?
Iniimbitahan ko po kayo, Uninvited December 25, and gusto ko lang i-mention din na after 6 years gagawa ulit ng pelikula si Direct Dan Villegas. It's something to look forward to. Work very hard with the cast, so please watch December 25.
Mr. John, Miss Nadine Lustre?
Uninvited po sa December 25 na po yan. Sana po supportahan po ninyo and sana po you're all as excited as we are. This is directed by Direct Dan Villegas. And gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for being here and for spending your afternoon with us. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng
Project A, Uninvited December 25. Panoorin niyo po, huwag niyo po palalipasin. At sa inyo pong lahat dito sa Cebu, always a pleasure to be spending time with you guys. At maraming salamat din palagi sa oras na binibigay niyo po sa amin dito. Maraming salamat. We appreciate you all. God bless you. And we
First, the star for all season, Miss Vilma Santos.
We're very thankful and we're very proud that we are part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. At yan po'y mag-uumpisa this coming December 25 Christmas Day. 10 pelikula po yan na ipalalabas po sa Christmas Day as part of the Golden Anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. And we're very lucky na kasama po ang aming pelikulang Uninvited. So sana po, masuportahan nyo rin ang Metro Manila Film Festival, and at the same time, suportahan nyo rin po ang aming pelikulang Uninvited. Hindi po namin kayo bibiguin. And salamat po sa napakainit na pagtanggap. Muli, daghang salamat. Mahal po namin kayong lahat sa Bonus. Mabuhay po kayo.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much once again, ladies.